Welcome to another episode
Of
No Company Motors.
course. And today we have something real special, right?
Well, I mean, isn't it always special now? Like, I think it's just like yeah,
We've been on a roll. We've been on
another
a roll.
special one.
Yeah, another special one.
Another one.
Today we're gonna get an in-depth look at the
Amazing, beautiful G-Wagon G550 in collaboration with
Moncler
Boom,
and Nigo.
Boom,
Nigo son,
aka 1 of 20.
the general.
Huh.
Let's go.
So before we get into the details of the car, right? Because I think that's what everybody wants. It was an interesting story about how we acquired the car. Because this is not a regular car. This is a 1 of 20 Mercedes-Benz.
This is a type of vehicle that's, part of the VIP program, aka the Silver Arrows.
It was a conversation between us and Eli, right?
Yeah.
At H&Z, and we told him, hey, we're like, hey, listen, if there's any way for us to get this car,
Yeah, we need it.
let us know.
Yeah.
Like, tell me who I gotta hit up. Do I have to call Nigo? What do I need to do? Then, out of nowhere, this Instagram post from Mercedes-Benz Manhattan popped up, and Eli was on it as soon as as he saw it.
So he took the gloves off. Shout out Eli, shout out Matt. Made it happen. This is crazy. We know that we're very well-known people, but this program is just a level above. It's VIP celebrities, which you are, but I don't think I'm a celebrity.
And we're very fortunate. We're very fortunate to be on this program now. The first thing you see is this polarizing color, right? Beautiful gray and a beautiful olive green.
Yeah. So we have the Magno paint, right? Two-tone for us. Two-tone, never been seen before, right? So very special. You'll also see that it has the blacked out moldings. Also has letters here on the molding, goes all around the car.
This G-Wagon was a collaboration between Moncler, and Moncler reached out to Nigo to design the truck itself. His whole MO about this project was, paying homage to what was in the past, but also living in the future.
Yeah.
Which I think it's how we live. The trimmings on the side tell you a really nice story about what this collaboration means to Nigo and to Moncler.
The other thing that I love about this truck is the heritage wheels, right? So these are the heritage G-Wagon wheels.
Yep.
You've seen them in older trucks.
It looks older, but it's still new.
Still new. I mean, it looks amazing, right? And then when we come around back, you'll see the back tire with the Moncler logo, which is insane. So you'll have the Mercedes-Benz Moncler logo here. We're actually a little afraid that someone's gonna steal this, right? Because
It's kind of easy.
it's kind of easy, but we don't intend on parking this on the street at any point, right?
Yep.
So even back here, we have the Mercedes-Benz Heritage badging, right? Which you'll see in the stronger than the 80s editions as well.
One thing I wanted to point out, that the windows, they are pre-tinted. That means that the tint on the windows comes factory. Another thing that you see over here, as soon as on the side steps, is this Mercedes-Benz branded Heritage for G-Wagon. Has a map in it. It also lights up in Mercedes-Benz. Another thing that you see over here is the seats.
So we have Heritage plaid seats, which are insane. They're cloth. We love them. 1 of 20 badging on the center console. Past the future badging on the passenger side. It does look and feel like a 1 of 20 because it is. And it's just something that, again, it's a different experience. We've never seen this before.
All right. For the moment of truth, the engine.
The engine, right? Something special about this is that, for the first time in a long time, Mercedes went back to their, turbocharged V6. So this is a flat 6. We drive our 63 was a V8, twin turbo, bi-turbo. So we already know this is a bit of a smaller engine, also a mild hybrid, right?
Hybrid.
Crazy thing is I think that next year all 550s are going back to being V8s.
Yes.
So
Yeah. V8s, come on, baby. Yo, Mercedes, G-Wagons, V8s only. You know what I'm saying?
here's what I think. I think this is going to be even rare because, it's a 6-cylinder engine. They're not going to make these anymore.
And this wraps up another episode of No Company Motors.
Yeah.
Well, I hope you enjoy it. What do you think? You think we
Man.
did it good justice? We did it justice?
This car feels custom. It
Yep.
feels special. It is a one-on-one. We're grateful to have it, and shout out to everyone that made it happen. So, like, first of many, right?
Yep.
Yep.
Shout out Eli. Thank you.
Matt, Nicole, MB Manhattan.
Let's get it.
Peace.